Hi, this is Ananya. This is Ipshita and Anirban, our beautiful homeowners. Hi. So, Ipshita, just tell us something about the journey that you had with CV Design Studio.
The thing that we loved about CV was the on-time delivery of the property. So this is something like we had a deadline, as in we wanted this entire thing to be executed within 1 year, because we had already bought the house and then we had to shift, and we had a timeline when we had to shift and everything. So they were bang on time, which is, I think, commendable and very good, and we are always indebted that we could shift on time to the house. And the entire process was very seamless. From the 3Ds to the real execution, I would say it has matched. And
most of the time she was only involved. I could not take too much of a time, but most of the time this is CV and her contribution. Then the house has turned up like this.
So, you like it,
Yeah,
right? You love it.
I love it. When you come back home after work, you feel
You feel at
yeah, it's a very pleasant feeling.
yeah, there's a sense of calm in this house. I don't know why, but there's something in the house that is beautiful. And everybody who has visited the house, who has come here, has asked who has done the designing, and the vibes that this entire house gives. And so that's it. Thank you. And especially, I would like to mention one thing, and that is the puja area here. That is probably my favorite part of the house, because designing an entire puja unit as a separate space in an apartment which is like whatever 3 or 4 BHK is not easy. It's difficult to keep in the aesthetics, and to what to say, it should not look out of place, and it to fit inside this entire what to say modern vibe of the house. It is commendable the way this has turned out. So this is a very special place for both of us, and so this is the favorite part, and like thank you CV Design Studio for this.
most welcome. And anything else that you want to say apart from the puja unit? There are so many part of this.
Yeah, but I love the whole house, the way it has turned out.
Anything specific? Anything specific?
I know what his favorite over here, favorite corner. Yeah, his favorite corner is that there's a huge clock that we have here. There's a brick wall behind that. That's
So that is my favorite.
yeah. So the clock was chosen by him. So that is a special piece. So I see
There is only one thing I've chosen in the whole house. Rest everything is designed by her and CV.
Anybody who's coming to your house, a guest or someone,
they'll always ask who the designer is, and I don't know how many
People have asked this question.
so and all of them have commented on the kitchen. They have really
and the puja ghar, of course.
yeah, puja ghar is like our favorite space. I don't know about other people, but this kitchen, like everybody has come and asked that. They'll always ask that, was the kitchen always like this, or have you done this? So then we say that yes, he broken down the walls and
Yes,
brought the kitchen counter here. So that's a favorite.
that was a difficult part, but it is the most beautiful part of it, right? Thank you so much, Ipshita. Thank you so much, Anirban. Thank you, everyone, for watching us.
And thank you, CV Designs, for this lovely house.
Thank you so much.